Before you embark on your cruise, proper preparation is essential for a smooth and enjoyable trip. Start by ensuring you have all the necessary travel documents, including a valid passport and any required visas. It's important to verify the specific requirements of your cruise line and destination well in advance. Once your documents are in order, focus on packing wisely. While most cruise lines are generous with luggage allowances, remember that checked bags may take several hours to reach your stateroom. Be sure to pack a carry-on bag with essentials such as travel documents, medications, a change of clothes, and any items you might need immediately upon boarding. In addition to your everyday items, consider the dress codes on board. During the day, a relaxed resort casual style is usually acceptable, but for evening dining or special occasions, different dress codes may apply. Formal nights might call for a suit or cocktail dress, while more casual evenings could require a smart, neat outfit. Many cruises also feature theme nights, so it's a good idea to pack 1 or 2 outfits that let you join in the fun while remaining comfortable. With the right documents, thoughtful packing, and a clear understanding of dress codes, you'll be well prepared to enjoy every moment of your cruise experience.